basically, if we talk about personally as a family member of a police officer, what we have been facing is my father does not has a fixed leave or the week offs that we call, especially on the festivals. He's not at home. Rather, on that day, he has his duties. So first is that. Second is there is no fixed working hours. At times he leaves early morning before we wake up, and at times he's late back home. And if we talk about specifically the problems he faces that I have basically he has discussed with us, we know is first is then there is increased political interference in the policing system that creates one of the major hindrance in their proper functioning. Second thing is there is lack of proper segregation between core and non-core functions. Most of the police department at times is involved in security duties or in VIP duties, which basically further decreases their on-ground presence and leads to stressing of the existing force that is there. Apart from that, there is also lack of women participation in the police department. There are very less women personnel per police station. So these are some of the issues I can enumerate just now.
Do you think police should be given some more facilities or some more incentives, or some number of policemen should be increased?
Yes, in my opinion, recruitment has to increase because according to UN, the police population ratio that has been given is 222 police personnel per lakh population. However, in Uttar Pradesh, it is just 132. And UP is one of the most populous state. If we talk about India, it is one of the most populous country overall. So first, I think recruitment should be increased. There should be fixed leave or the week off should be given, be it on rotation basis. A particular batch can be given week off on a particular day and the other on the some other day, so as to avoid the complete absence of police personnel on a specific week off. So this can be done. Apart from that, they should be given some additional incentive based on their work. If they are doing some good work, they should be awarded some bonus or they should be given some facilities that would basically boost their morale to work.
Like